Hi children, good morning. How are you? I hope all are going well. Students, what all things we studied in last class? Rounding numbers? Rounding numbers nearest 100. Welcome students to our maths class. Today we are going to learn about the topic rounding numbers to the nearest 1000. Okay. All of you take your text, page number 80. Example 1. All of you take your text. Okay. Example 1. Round off 2250 to the nearest 1000. 2250 to the nearest 100. Okay. 2250 is the number. Okay. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. 0 in the ones place, 5 is in the tens place, 2 is in the hundreds place, 2 is in the thousands place. Consider first digit 2. 2 into 1000, 2000 plus 1000 because the case of nearest 1000, 3000. Okay, 3000. First number is 2000 and last number is 3000. First number is the 2000 and last number is 3000. Okay. Here 2250 is lies between 2000 and 3000. 2250 is lies between 2000 and 3000. Okay. Then we draw the number line. Okay. 2000 to 3000. 2000 to 3000. 2000 to 2000, 3000. Okay. 2100, 2200, 2300, 2400, 2500, 2600, 2700, 2800, 2900. Okay. Okay. Our number is 2250. 2250. 2250. 2250 is here. 2250 is lies between 2200 and 2300. Okay. Then we draw the another line 2250 to 2000, 2250 to 3000. 2250 മുതൽ 2200 വരെ ഒരു ലൈൻ, 2250 3000 വരെ. ഓക്കെ. Which line is smallest line? This is the smallest line. Therefore 2250 is rounded down to 2000. Okay. 2250 is rounded down to 2000. Okay. Here our conditions 1 to 4. 1 to 4 numbers rounded down to first number. 5 to 9 numbers rounded up to last number. Okay. Here we consider the digit in hundreds place. Here we consider the digit in hundreds place. 1 is in the hundreds place. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is in hundreds place. Okay, our number 2250 is our number. 2 is in the hundreds place. 2 is in the hundreds place. Okay. 1 to 4 numbers rounded down to first category. Rounded down to first number. Okay. Therefore, 2250 is rounded down to 2000. Okay. I will explain one more time. Number is 2250. 2250. 2250. We consider the first digit 2. 2 into 1000, 2000. Okay. 2000 is our first number and 2000 plus 1000. 2000 plus 1000, 3000. 3000 is the last number. Okay. Then we draw the number line 2000 to 3000. 2000 to 3000. 2100, 2200 and last 2900. Okay. Then 2250 is here. 2250 is lies between 2200 and 2300. Okay. Then we draw the another line 2250 from 2200 to 3000. Okay. 2250 is nearer to 2000 as compared to 3000. 2250 2000 അടുത്തുമാണ്. Then 3000 ഇച്ചിരി അകലെയുമാണ്. Okay. Okay. Therefore, 2250 is rounded down to 2000. Okay. Our condition 1 to 4 numbers rounded up or down are rounded up to first number. 5 to 9 numbers rounded down to 1 to 4 numbers rounded down to first number. 5 to 9 numbers rounded up to last number. Okay. Here we consider the digit in hundreds place. Here we consider the digit in hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 in the hundreds place. Our number 2250. 2 is in the hundreds place. First category 1 to 4. Okay. Rounded down. Therefore, 2250 is rounded down to 2000. Okay. Do you understand this? Okay. Our next example. Example 2. Round off 7930. 7930 to the nearest thousand. Okay, 7930. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. 7 is in the thousands place. 7 is in the thousands place. We consider the first digit. 7 into 1000, 7000. 7000 plus 1000. 8000 is last number. 7000 is the first number and 8000 is the last number. Okay. 7930 is lies between 7000 and 8000. 7930 7000-ൻ്റെയും 8000-ൻ്റെയും ഇടയിലാണ്. Okay. Next, we draw the number line. We draw the number line. 7000, first number 7000 and last number is 8000. 7100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 7600, 7700, 7800, 7900, 100, 7200, 7300, 7400, 7,500, 7,600, 7,700, 7,800 and 7,900. Okay. Number is 7,930. 7,930. 7,930 is here. 7,930. Okay. 7,930 is lies between 7,900 and 8,000. Okay. Then we draw the another line. 7,990, 7,932, 7,000, 7,932, 8,000. Which number is smallest? In which line is smallest one? This is smallest one. This is smallest one. Therefore 7,930 is rounded down or up? Rounded up to 8,000. Okay. 7,930 is rounded up to 8,000. Okay. Then our condition. 1 to 4 numbers rounded down or up? Rounded up, rounded down to first number. 5 to 9 numbers rounded up to last number. Consider the hundreds place. Consider the digit in hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 in the hundreds place. Okay. 7,400, 7,300, 7,200, 7,100 is rounded up to 7,000. Okay. Then 5 to 9 numbers in the hundreds place. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These numbers rounded up to last number. 7,400, 300, 200 and 100 rounded down to first number. 7,500 to 7,900 rounded up to last number. Our number is 7,930. 9 is in the hundreds place. 5 to 9 numbers rounded up to last number. Therefore, 7,930 is rounded up to 8,000. I will explain one more time. 7,930 is our number. 7,930. Okay. 7 in the thousands place. 7,000. First number is 7,000. Okay. 7,000 plus 1,000, 8,000. Then we draw the number line. 7,000 to 8,000. Our number is 7,930. 7,930 is here. Then we draw the another line. 7,930 to 7,930 to 8,000. Okay. 7,930 is nearer to 8,000 as compared to 7,000. Okay. 7,930 8,000 അടുത്തുമാണ്. 7,000 ഇച്ചിരി അകലെയുമാണ്. Okay. Therefore, 7,930 is rounded up to 8,000. Rounded up to 8,000. Our condition. 1 to 4 numbers rounded down to first number. 5 to 9 numbers rounded up to last number. Okay. Consider the hundreds place. Consider the digit in hundreds place. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Number 7,930. 9 is in the hundreds place. 9 is in the hundreds place. Second category. 5 to 9 numbers rounded up to last number. Therefore, 7930 is rounded up to rounded up to 8000. Okay. Then example. Next example. Do you understand? Okay. Our next example, 6,500. Example, 6,500 is your number. Okay. 6,500. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 6 is in the thousands place. 6 into 1,000. 6,000. 6,000 plus 1,000. 6,000 plus 1,000. 7,000. 7,000. Okay. 7,000 is the last number. First number is 6,000. Okay. 6,500 is lies between 6,000 and 7,000. 6,500 is lies between 6,000 and 7,000. Okay. Then we draw the number line. 6,000 to 7,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6,100, 6,200, 6,300, 6,400, 6,500, 6,600, 6,700, 6,800, 6,900. Okay. Our number 6,500. 6,500. Then we draw the another line. Same distance. 6,500 to 6,000 and 6,500 to 7,000. Same distance. Okay. Our condition 1 to 4 numbers rounded down to first number. 5 to 9 numbers rounded up to last number. Consider the digit in hundreds place. 5 is in the hundreds place. Second category. 5 to 9 numbers rounded up to last number. Rounded up to last number. Okay. Therefore, 6,500 is rounded up to last number is 7,000. Okay. I will explain one more time. 6,500. 6,500. 6,500. 6 is in the thousands place. 6 is in the thousands place. 6 into 1,000, 6,000. 6,000 plus 1,000 because in the case of 1,000. 6,000 plus 1,000, 7,000. Okay. Then we draw the number line 6,000 to 7,000. Okay. Our number is 6,500. Same distance. 6,500 to 6,000 and 7,000. Okay. Then our conditions. Our condition is 1 to 4 numbers rounded down to first number. 5 to 9 numbers rounded up to last number. Okay. Consider the digit in hundreds place. In the case of 1,000, consider the digit in hundreds place. Our number 6,500. 5 is in the hundreds place. Therefore, 6,500 is rounded up to 7,000. Okay. Do you follow me? Okay. Next, exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5, third one. I will explain one question from this part. Remains are your homework. 1.5. Third one, round off the following numbers to the nearest thousand. 1240 is the number. Okay, 1240, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 1 is in the thousands place. 1000 plus 1000, 2000. Thousands plus 1000, 2000. Okay. Then we draw the number line. We draw the number line. 1000 to 2000. 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400, 1500, 1600, 1700, 1800, 1900 and 2000. Okay, our number is 1240. 1240 is located in here. 1240 is between 1200 and 1300. 1240 is lies between 1200 and 1300. Okay, then we draw the line. In which line is smallest one? This line is smallest one. 1200 is nearer to 1000. 1200 is nearer to 1000. 1000 as compared to 2000. As compared to 2000. 1240 is nearer to 1000 as compared to 2000. Okay. Therefore, 1240 is rounded down to 1000. 1240 is rounded down to 1000. Okay. Our condition 1 to 4 numbers rounded down to first number. 5 to 9 numbers rounded up to last number. Okay, here we consider the digit in hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Our number is 1240. 2 is in the hundreds place. 2 is in the hundreds place. Okay, 2 is in the hundreds place. First category. 1 to 4 numbers rounded down to first number. Therefore, 1240 is rounded down to 1000. Okay, I will explain one more time. Listen here. 1240. 1240 is the number. Consider first digit. Students, today's topic is over. If you have any doubt in this topic, please ask me. Okay, thank you.